This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Matt back here with us, and Matt lives out in LA. And Matt got adjusted here, back in last year?
January and February and March.
January and February, March last year.
Yeah, last year.
Yeah, 2017.
Yeah.
And then you went back out to LA and you saw Dr. Rahim out there, correct?
Yeah.
Donstead Chiropractor.
Uh-huh.
And he adjusted you in a couple different spots.
Yeah.
And on the knee chest table, you said.
Mm-hmm.
But you didn't get the full body adjustment, so you came back here to Houston to get that, right?
Oh, yeah. Well, I was doing great, and then I fouled up right before Christmas or Thanksgiving.
Too much Santa Claus activity?
Yeah, something. I think I dehydrated myself or something, but I ended up on the floor again. And,
oh, my.
And I said, I got to come back out here and nip this in the bud real quick so I can get back to work and everything.
Yeah, because you did go back to work and all after your first
went
visit
back to
here,
work
right?
And
got your life back again.
Yeah, it was great. Everything was going good until I guess last week. I don't know what happened.
Well, I got no saying. You knock them out, I line them up. All right, let's take a look at you here this afternoon then, Matt. I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, please, sir. And then neutral. Your head's right down the middle.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Yeah, it's actually perfect. Pelvis still shifted a little bit. That's a biggie.
It just feels like it's
well, you're shifted this way, which is putting more weight bearing down in this right hip. And that's where you're getting that pain up in your quads there in your psoas muscle. That's not the same as sore ass muscle. That's psoas muscle. P-S-O-A-S. Psoas. Have to define that for those crack addicts out there because they can say I'm saying sore ass. All right, Matt, we're going to do this one on you first this afternoon. Butt right here. There we go. I kind of lit you on fire this morning, though, with that muscle work, huh?
Yeah, I'm just putting me off the table.
Yeah. That was a psoas muscle. There we go. Okay, there you go. Just keep breathing. Just like that. Yep. Felt that all the way down, huh?
Every time.
Yep. There we go. Okay, tilt right a little. That's better. Good job. Just lay there and breathe. You still all connected.
Yes, usually I ice up right after this.
Yep. Let's come over here on this knee chest table.
Still feel like wincing until like I get a good sleep after.
Yeah, I think a lot of your issues catch you holding your breath a lot. If you try to do more deep breathing, it would help you relax more. Because I see you holding your breath a lot.
Okay.
There you go. And a lot of people in pain do that. That's just a natural body innate response. There it is. Got one more. That's all. Okay, let's come over here now. You got a little fatty tumor right there.
Yeah, I got cyst there. I was gonna get that cut out too, but yeah.
Well, you don't have to.
Yeah,
but
I don't have to.
I would advise you to because it may be creating some scar tissue proliferation down in that region, which can affect your spinal biomechanics. Legs are even this afternoon, and they stay even. Good for you. There we go. Got one more here. That's it. Yes, sir. So, I think you remember this drill. You keep breathing, deep breaths. There you go. Woo boy. Right there she blows. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn you on your back now, Matt. Now, was that payment's on this side, wasn't it?
Right here.
Oh, I see it's on the right here. Okay. So, this is the psoas muscle right here. It attaches to his anterior superior iliac spine on his ilium, and it goes right down into the femur. So I'm just going to put some direct pressure on that. Keep breathing, yeah. And then we're going to go down a little lower into the upper part of his quad. This is called the proximal section of his quadratus lumborum on the lateral aspect of that muscle. Yep, and this is really painful. This is no joke. I'm sure Matt will tell you that. You don't usually pay people this much money to hurt so bad, do you? Yeah, no. Yeah, it'll feel better when it quits hurting them. Oh boy, see that knot right there? I know you felt that. Boy, I'm having a hard time staying on that one, Matt. Keep breathing, see when you hold your breath back there. Okay. Yes, sir. There you go. Super. Yeah, let this go. That's it. Good. Okay. Now let's sit you up and face out the window here. That about takes you to your knees, huh?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to.
No.
I'm just going to get rid of your pain for you. There. Okay.
I'll pass out.
Yeah, get that ice pack out.
Yeah.
There we go. Good. Okay, let's go in front of the mirror. Okay, now let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards. And then back to neutral. Yep, look at that, man. You're right down the gut.
Yeah, almost fell over on that one.
Yeah, that's good. Back this way a little bit more. No, pull your shoulders back. There you go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, try that very same thing again. I should have felt smoother. Now, take a look. You're right down the gut.
Just all
Yeah, a little wobbly after that.
wobbly right now.
Yeah. I want to say this on this video. Dr. Rahim is a great non-invasive chiropractor out in Los Angeles area. But you know, different types of techniques work differently for different individuals. And just so happened for Matt that this full body treatment seems to be more effective for you than a specific Gonstead adjustment. Is that correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Not saying that he's a bad doctor.
That works too. Great.
It works too.
Straightened me right out, that thing over there. But
Yeah.
pulling that leg and
The muscle work and the
ringing my
band.
bell and that. Oh yeah.
Yep.
It's gotta get it done.
The full meal deal, we call it. Well, welcome back to Houston.
All right.
He's gonna be here for another day or so, and then he'll be headed back to LA. So this year, Houston chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, with Matt from Los Angeles. We'll see y'all next time.